Sri Lanka, historically known as Heladiva, is a beautiful tropical paradise island, brimming with over 5,000 years of history. It is home to some of the world's most ancient royal kingdoms and magnificent architectural wonders. The island's historic, rich culture, vibrant art, rich biodiversity and culture of nature-based caring and healing still survive. The ancient healing and beautifying power of plants practiced through Helaveda medicine have been documented on ola leaves, known as puskula, and passed down from generation to generation, creating an invaluable heritage in herbal treatments. These natural, trusted remedies have also been used by queens and beautiful women in our ancient royal kingdoms, as portrayed on the ancient rock palace of Sigiriya, now a World Heritage Site. Today, these ancient beauty remedies of Helaveda, commonly known as Ayurveda, are diligently transformed into modern personal care solutions by Nature's Beauty Creations Ltd. Tucked away in the lush greenery of beautiful Millava, a town 40 kilometers from Sri Lanka's capital, Colombo, is Nature's Beauty Creations Ltd, the island's most awarded and environment-friendly herbal cosmetics manufacturer. The company manufactures Sri Lanka's leading natural personal care brands such as Nature's Secrets, Panda Baby, Misubi, Elite, Chandi Panda and Champion. It is the first and only Sri Lankan company to receive the prestigious Natural certification from the International Natural and Organic Cosmetics Association in Europe. The high-tech factory complex of Nature's Beauty Creations is surrounded by a beautifully curated 13-acre medicinal plant arboretum created by Nature's Beauty Creations. It is Sri Lanka's largest privately owned collection of medicinal plants for research and conservation. An advanced plant research center has also especially been established within the garden to carry out further research on the healing and beautifying properties of medicinal plants. The natural products inspired by Sri Lanka's ancient Helaveda and Ayurvedic remedies are carefully developed in advanced laboratories after thorough scientific research to create effective natural products of the highest quality. The beautifying and healing natural ingredients found in the products are sustainably harvested from the company's own organic certified lands and sourced from rural farmers scattered among the villages, a conscious effort to help the less privileged in society. The products are then commercially produced using ultra-modern machines in an advanced process accredited with European recognized GMP, ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certifications, ensuring all products are of the highest international quality and freshness. Nature's Beauty Creations is Sri Lanka's first herbal cosmetics company to be awarded these highly reputable standards. From its inception, the company has been fiercely passionate about environmental conservation, consumer and employee well-being, education and awareness, and community empowerment. In an effort to support the sustainability of our island's biodiversity in flora and fauna, Nature's Beauty Creations has created a sprawling medicinal plant arboretum around its factory. Of the approximately 1,400 plant species found in Sri Lanka, our garden grows and conserves more than 800 medicinal plant varieties, including endemic and critically endangered species. Representing around 60% of the island's medicinal plant varieties, our garden has the largest privately owned collection of medicinal plants and is second only in size to a government-owned medicinal plant garden. It's a home to over 40 species of butterflies, endemic birds, and threatened dragonflies. The vast green garden also contributes towards our goal of carbon neutrality. NBC's Plant Research Center has also compiled and published a remarkable and unique book on over 300 Sri Lankan medicinal plants. The book comprises vital data including colored photographs, traditional medicinal uses, bioactivity, chemical constituents, and clinical research, ensuring the preservation and dissemination of valuable information. The company has also implemented many sustainability initiatives to reduce waste generation and energy use, and to recycle and recover waste to reduce pollution. A biogas plant has also been established to power the cooking of meals in our cafeteria by converting organic food waste to renewable energy. All wastewater from the factory and office complex are treated and cleaned with on-site wastewater treatment facilities and released and stored in a network of ponds for watering the medicinal plant arboretum. A planned network for rainwater harvesting has also been set in place to supply water to the network of ponds. Waste paper from the factory is also recycled to create handmade recycled packaging for products, creating a circular economy. Nature's Beauty Creations works in partnership with social enterprises for this purpose, empowering rural communities. Nature's Beauty Creations is also the first and only cosmetics company to be awarded the prestigious National Green Award Gold, Sri Lanka's highest national distinction for environment protection. It is also the first and only cosmetics manufacturer to have won the highest gold award under the large category at the coveted Sri Lanka Corporate Health and Productivity Awards, the country's highest award for employee health and well-being. Nature's Beauty Creations has also become an educational center for school and university students to enhance community awareness regarding successful environment sustainability in industry. today. Nature's Beauty Creations is the most awarded hygienic and environment-friendly cosmetics manufacturer in the island and is proud to continue on its journey in manufacturing global brands from Sri Lanka. Nature's Beauty Creations Ltd, creating nature-inspired beauty. Our vision: to be the most environment-friendly cosmetics manufacturer in the world.